Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Told you earlier, uh, not so good news because yesterday the paperboy has not delivered the newspaper with the puzzles. Yesterday was February the 13th. Today is actually Valentine's Day, Wednesday, February the 14th, 2024. So the puzzles of yesterday, I have downloaded it from the news paper site, and I've printed on paper. And it's a lot of work, and I've already solved one puzzle. Three Stars Sudoku, regular Sudoku. We have two regular puzzles left, the Four Stars and the Tectonic. And I will solve later on the puzzles in the additional. But let me continue with this one. Yeah. The Four Star Sudoku regular puzzle. This one will be number 7 and 9. Wait. Yeah. 9, I believe, 3 or 4. 3. Yeah. This one will be number 9, 3. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Should be a 2 stars. Because usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 26, 2 digits more. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. If it's really a 4 stars puzzle, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 2 twos, 2 3, 3 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 4 sixes. All right. 1 2 3 4 5 sixes. Wow. 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 3 nines. So the sixes are in majority. Can I start with the 6? That's the question. 6 6. Okay, let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. All right. 6 6. Okay. Let me see. 6 6 6 6 6. No. I cannot continue with the 6 now. I need to wait. 1 1. Okay. How about the number? The number. Yeah. Need a 3 here. 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this row. Should be there. 2 2. Okay. Then 7 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers now in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this column, so no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in the first row for the number 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in column next on that column. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 in these 3 boxes here, 2 in the last row, no 2 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Then, let me see. 9, okay. 1. I need here 1, and I need a 5 here. Need a 2 here, need a 3, and I need a 8. Yeah, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on last column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 and the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 6, 6, need a 4 also here. 1, 1, need a 5 here, need a 3 here. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, and look, we have 3 in this row. No 3 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there, so the 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only place left the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in the last row, so no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Oh, wait, 8, 8. 4, 4. I need a 6 there, and I need a 3 here. Yep, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, and look, we have 3 and a 6 in this row. No 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 4. Oh, wait. 4, 4. 3, 6, and need a 9 here. Yeah. Alright, and now let me think. 5, 5. Need a 9 here. Okay. 7, need a 7 there, need a 7 here. Yeah. 3. Well, need a 3 there also. 3 we have here. Let me think. Come on. Need an 8 here. And I need a 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 and 8 in the middle column. No 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this row for number 1. 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Okay, and now. Oh, 5 and 8. We already have a 5 here in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. Overlook this 5. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next down. Need 2 places left at 8. Could be here. Could be there. Alright. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 1 here. 1, 7, need a 2. Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. From the third row, the only place left for the 2. Should be there. 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and 9 in this column. So no 7, 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the set column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those. Okay. Then 5, 8, and I need a 3 here. Yeah. Need a 3 here. And I need a 9 here. Need a 5 here. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left are 5. Could be here, could be there. So here we have a 5, here we have a 5. That means in the second column, the only place left of 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. So this box should be a 5. Yeah. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 5. Well, this box should be a 5 and that box should be a 1 then. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left with 1. Could be here, could be there. Need a 7 here. Okay. And I need a 3 here. Come on. Do we have all the 5s? No. 7. 7. Yeah. 3, 6, 4, and the 2. 4 and the 2. 6, 2. No 3 here. 3, 3, 3. Come on. What's happening? 4, 8, and a 1. 4, 8, and a 1. No 4 here. 4. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. 5, 8, and the 3. 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 and an 8 in this box. So no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 digit left should be the 3. Alright, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Need a 2 there. Need a 3 there. Yeah. Alright. And now, come on, need a 6 here. And I need a 4, 3, 6. Well, these 3 missing numbers, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, the 3, and the 4. We have a 6, 3, and a 4 in this column, so no 6, 3, and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 6, 3, and a 4 goes in those 3 boxes. 6, 3, and a 4. Well, we have a 6 here, so 3 and a 4. 6, 3, and a 4. 6, 3, and a 4. 6, 3, and a 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. The 6 and the 3 are left. Here we have a pair. Okay, here we have a pair. 4 and 8. So 1 digit left in this row for number 9, I believe. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1. The 2 is missing here. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column 3, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there. Complicated, but we solved it. We have solved this. Let me check. And all the twos are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 2. How about 1, 1? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in the middle column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. 5, 8. The other 2 numbers in this big square are numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. The 6, 7 is missing. Yeah. 4, 7, 5, 8. Well, these 2 should be the 4 and 8 in this column. Here, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with 5 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, so this box should be a 5. That box should be an 8. 8, 8, 8. Yeah, okay. 5, 5. Here should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Okay, here also 4 and 7. 4, 7 and 8. 4, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay, these 3 should be the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9. Okay. 1. Come on. How about these 3 miss? Oh, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We already have 8 here in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 4 and a 7 are left in this row. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in this row for number 7. 7, 7. Here should be the 7. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left. Wait. 3 and 6, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster. Yeah. Told you. 2 stars for 26. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third irregular puzzle. Yeah. Until then, bye bye for now.